Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm Loveth alone.
Okay, Loveth Alo.
Yes.
Is that your full name?
Helen, Loveth alone.
Okay, so there were speculations that Loveth is not your real name. So please tell them how Loveth is your real name because people say your
Loveth.
name is Esther or something.
No,
So
no,
how is
no.
Loveth your name?
Loveth is my confirmation name. Yeah. My real name. Yeah. I'm from Nodi.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, my name is Loveth alone from Enugu State.
Where in Enugu State?
In Obioma local government.
Where?
Obioma.
Obioma is in the local
Uji
government.
local government.
What happened before the testimony and what happened during the testimony?
Yeah, before the testimony, I went for inspection of the house, which we are processing to get. Then I made the acted there. Then they told me the process, the full details of the place. I told them I'm coming back. Then I use it as a testimony, claiming it that I will get it, full assured that I will get it. That's it. And the next action taken is the barrister, people calling, saying that it's arranged. Nobody arranged anything with me.
Okay.
Nobody, I didn't discuss anything with anybody.
So are you saying that you did this testimony as an act of faith?
Faith. Yeah.
You did
I
that.
did the testimony out of faith, claiming that I will surely get it. That's all happened.
Okay, so see, we've all watched this testimony.
Yeah.
You said that you
I
how
said
did
it's
you
an
say it?
evidence that I'm claiming it. That's all happened.
Okay,
I
because
didn't
in the
say
testimony you said that
it's
this
an
is my evidence.
That's
Okay.
what I said there.
When this started trending,
Yes.
and you were reached out to confirm if it was truly your house.
Yeah.
What happened when you were reached out to, and what did you say to the
When I
people?
reached out, I videoed the place. I told the person in charge there that we are coming back for it, that we will pay for it. That's it. That's what happened.
What did you tell them before you went to the place to record again as a confirmation? Who were those that reached out to you?
The person in charge of the place, the actor, the engineer that was there, that's the person that was reached out and we discussed. Yeah.
So,
Sorry, sir, just one more.
That's all that happened. That's all that happened. That's all that. Nobody arranged anything with me. I didn't collect dime with anybody. I can never. That's my Zion is my church, and it will remain my ministry forever. Nobody arranged. I didn't collect anything from anybody. These are the two things that happened in that place. People are talking, talking, talking. All the talking is not. I don't. I'm not involved in that talk.
Okay. So now who arrested you? Who arrested you? Is it the ex-state people?
I don't know.
Who made you come to court? Who brought you to court?
The person that made me say is a barrister. I don't know.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so please, I want you to.
Loveth, the one who gave a testimony about buying a house, had her day in court, and she will now give her own side of the story in hopes that the judge finds favor with her and maybe let her go, or maybe give her a slap on the wrist, right? Maybe a soft punishment. When I watched the interview that she gave, I felt really bad because seeing someone in such a situation is never a great thing. You know, sometimes we do things and we never thought that things would escalate the way they do, right? We initially thought that things would just go as we expected, but sometimes things can become too dangerous, or things might just go beyond our control. That's what I'm trying to say. And I hope that those who know her or those who like her will give her the support that she needs. And even if she told a lie, I hope that we can all find it in our heart to let this go, to just forgive her and let it go. There is no need for us to crucify her because she made a mistake. Like she said in the video, no one is sponsoring her or no one put her up to that she was mainly claiming something she thought if she did, it might actually come to pass. that to me makes some sense because most Christian fanatics nowadays think that when they say something again and again and again and again, it will come to pass. Most of them think that by just saying things or by just prophesying on things, they can actually come to pass. We cannot blame them on that, can we? Because that's exactly what their preachers have told them. That is what they have been told in the church day in, day out. And so most of them, if not all, have believed it. And some of them might take it to a whole new level, like what Miss Loveth did. So sad, isn't it? This is just a speculation. I was just trying to brainstorm about this issue. And I'm like, okay, in this whole case, right, had it been that it didn't turn out the way it did, who would have benefited the most? Who would have been in the best position to stage this up? When I gave this some thought, I came to just one conclusion. Because Loveth said that the Zion ministry is her church and she is a devoted member of the church, which means that she has been going there for a longer period of time. And if she believes in the church and believes in his man of God, Ebuka Obi, it will be very difficult for someone to convince her to betray the church and to betray Ebuka Obi. It will be really difficult. Not impossible, but highly difficult. So this is what I was thinking, that maybe, just maybe, and please, do not take me seriously on this. It's just a speculation. My thought was, maybe the people in Zion ministry put her up to this, allegedly, because they are the ones who benefited the most out of it. So maybe this thing goes right to the top, which means that maybe even Ebuka Obi knows about all this or knew about it, or maybe he did not, allegedly. Because had it been that this whole thing did not go wrong, then Ebuka Obi would have benefited so much from it, isn't it? He would have. So that's my whole take. But anyway, I would like to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section below. Like I said before, my analysis on the whole miracle or testimonies or revelation or whatever being staged is just a speculation. So I would like to hear what you guys have to say. In this whole scenario, right, who stand to gain the most? Who would have been in the best position to stage up this? And is Miss Loveth just a pawn in this whole game? Did someone put her up to this? Was she paid to fake something like this? Or maybe she was just a believer, someone who believed in things that make no sense, and then she took her faith all the way in. What would be your own speculation? Let me hear that in the comment section below, because like always, we like hearing what you guys have to say. Please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share the video. Follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram.